Hi, 6th grade physical science students. This is Miss Johnson, and I am going to show both the students in my class and if you have Miss Tuma in your class how to get into Gizmos. So you're going to see in your Google Classroom under classwork, you're going to see the worksheet that is posted. It says Student Exploration Phase Changes, and this is the gizmo that you're going to be working on when you have science this week. So the week of March 1st. So when you open up the Gizmo worksheet, you're going to see at the top a place where you're going to type in your name, put in the date in the orange box. After you do that, you're going to click on this blue link that says Student Exploration Phase Changes. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to the login page of the Gizmo. Okay, so when you click on there, it's going to take you into where you're going to see the Phase Changes Gizmo. If you click Launch Gizmo, it's only going to let you use it for 5 minutes. So it's very important that you go to the upper right-hand side, you go log in and enroll, and you put in your username and password. Now we're hoping that you remembered what your username and password is, but if you forgot, you can click on Login Help, and that is going to ask you to put in your email address. And when we set up accounts with you, oh boy, back this fall, we had you all make your accounts with your email address. So you're going to type in your email address, click login information, and it will be sent to you into your school email. For me showing you, I'm not going to do that because I already know mine. I'm going to show you after you have your email what you need to do. Okay, so you're going to go into your login. So you've gone into your email. It gives you your login information. You're going to type in your username. You're going to put in your password. You're going to click log in. You do not need to enroll in class because we already have you enrolled in the class. You've used Gizmos a few times before. We just haven't used them in a long time. So you're going to click log in. And after you click log in, you're going to find your physical science class. So you'll click on yours. You only have one class that's listed. So right now I'm going to my first hour physical science. So you're going to do it where you're going to click on your class. It'll be physical science. When you click on there, you're going to find the gizmo. And so all you need to do is you need to hit launch and you'll launch the gizmo. So the gizmo is the online virtual lab that you're going to be working on. Ours is called Phase Changes. So this is the gizmo that goes along with the Google Doc. So back to the Google Doc at the beginning here, you've logged in, you're able to access the gizmo. It has some prior knowledge questions. It says, do these before using the gizmo. So you're going to answer questions 1 and 2 before you do anything on the gizmo. The must-do gizmo warm-up is practice on how you use the gizmo. So it's making sure, and you're making sure, that you understand the tools in the gizmo. So when it says like click play and observe it, it's talking about here where you'll go to and you're going to click the play. So it tells you exactly how you're going to set it up, and they want you to see and to make sure that you understand how to use the tools before you even get into the work. Then you'll go down to activity A. Make sure that you set it so when it says get the gizmo ready, that you set the water temperature to 10 degrees, set the ice volume to 0, and that you've got that micro view. So when you go in here, you set it exactly how it tells you to set it, so you get the results of what we're looking for, so you learn about phase changes. So then you'll work your way through activity A. You'll go down. You're going to do activity B. That's another must do. Activity C, you're going to see is an extension. It's optional. And so this is how phase changes change, like as you change altitude, how do the phase changes change? So that's optional. So if this has been interesting to you and if you have time, definitely try the extension. Okay, so I'm going to go back through just one more time. How do you get to your gizmo? We'll go here, click on here, go to there. You're going to want to log in. So right now I'll just log out. Sorry about that. Go back in, click on there. Please don't go to Launch Gizmo unless you're logged in. Go to login. If you know your username and password, put it in. If not, go to login help. You don't need to do anything with the enrollment key. You're already enrolled. Put your username, type your password in, and hit log in. And you are good to go. You can use the gizmo for unlimited time. So I hope that helps you get into your gizmo. If you're having any issues, pay close attention to what Ms. Tuma says about when you can come in for help. And when I say there's a good time for you to come in to help, we'll be happy to help you. This week in class, if you're not working on the gizmo or doing an ed puzzle outside in your school time at home, you will be doing a couple of labs in class that I think you'll really enjoy. So have a great week, and I hope you enjoy using gizmos, and I hope you know how to get in, or that the video helped you get in. If you have any questions, let Ms. Tuma and I know. Have a great day. Bye.